Welcome to Sometimes 6. Today we're working with Unit 2. As usual, there are lots of problems in this unit, and we're going to take them at random. Problem 4. A storage bin is 1/3 full of rice. After 100 kilos of rice is poured into the bin, it's half full. So how much rice can the storage bin hold? The storage bin was 1/3 full of rice, and we added 100 kilos, and this made it half full. So we know that 100 kilos is the difference between half of the bin and 1/3 of the bin. So if we subtract 1/3 from 1/2, what do we get? Well, in order to subtract 1/3 from 1/2, we have to change them into the same sort of fractions. 1/2 is the same as 3/6, and 1/3 is the same as 2/6. So the difference between a half and a third is 1/6. Now, as 100 kilos fills 1/6 of the bin, it should be possible to work out how much the bin holds. Problem 14. A car travels at a speed of 30 miles an hour over a certain distance, and then returns over the same distance at a speed of 20 miles an hour. What is the average speed for the total trip? Now this question is not as easy as you might think. Let's imagine that the distance is 60 miles. So on the outbound journey, he's traveling at 30 miles an hour. It takes him 60 divided by 30, 2 hours. Now on the way back, the same distance, 60, but only 20 miles an hour. How long does it take? 60 divided by 20 is 3 hours. So the outbound journey was 2 hours and the home journey was 3 hours. 60 miles out, 60 miles back. So the car travels 120 miles in 5 hours. That's 3 plus 2. Divide 120 by 5 and you get 24. So the average speed for the total trip was 24 miles an hour. Problem 1. My sister got a very poor grade on her first test at her new school. She got only 1 star out of 5 stars. She wanted to do better and get an average of 4 stars. How many 5-star tests does she have to do to achieve this goal? And remember, her goal was an average of 4 stars. I'll help you on your way. On the first test, she got 1 star. If she gets 5 stars on the next test, she gets 6 stars altogether, 5 plus 1. But she's done 2 tests, so her average is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So she still hasn't reached her goal.